Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell so you can get notified every time. Hey everyone, in today's video, as you already seen the title, is going to be a Halloween DIY costume collar. And I'm super excited in today's Halloween. So happy Halloween. Let's get right into the video. So now I'm going to be showing you the items that I'm going to be using for this Halloween DIY project, which are these two black roses from my floor arrangement that I had from last year, and just pluck them off of there. Then I'm going to be using this headband and the spider headband from Halloween. Then I'm going to be using these two bat wings headbands as well. Then after that, I'm going to be using a long feather black bow, however you call it, and then also make sure you have hot glue as well. Now I'm going to take off all the cardboard pieces that are holding them together, and then I will be cutting the tags off individually on each item, so that way when I do assemble them together, you will not see the tags. They won't be showing. Now I am almost done with my color, the main part of it, and now I'm going to take the extra pieces and I'm going to glue them down where I'm going to glue them to, and that's really about it. Now that I'm done making my color to my Halloween costume, I'm just going to add a few touches to it, and then that would be it.
There's something strange in the neighborhood, something weird and it don't look good. Who you gonna call that maybe could sweep the place the way they should? Just say our names and we hook you up with a beat that will make you pop. Everybody dance now, don't you stop. The disco ghost will rave you nuts. Just shake your tree, baby, constantly. Up it up like the disco G. Always funky fresh, we stay unique. And if you know us, you're in for a treat. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Girlies like my toy, toy. Now get up off your seat and watch M-Boy and me, how we destroy, destroy.
As you can see, I'm officially done making my collar that goes to my Halloween costume, and now on to making the headband to finish off my Halloween costume look. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, this is Voluches.